Looking to capture stunning aerial shots or record smooth cinematic videos? The best drones with cameras combine powerful flight performance, high-resolution imaging, and smart features, making them perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Drone. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 g. Fly More Combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. With its level 5 wind-resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, 5, of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Epic shots are at your fingertips. Use quick shots to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture a stunning view with panorama. Designed for beginners, GPS return to home, RTH, precise hovering, auto takeoff/landing, giving you plenty of confidence in flying. Additional in-app learning resources help you master flight quickly. No remote control is needed. You can turn on the Wi-Fi download after pairing the drone close to your phone, and the download speed is up to 25 megabits per second, which is simple and fast. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Equipped with a 1/2-foot Sony CMOS sensor, it captures and records stable videos within a. The f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixels improve low light performance, details, and color. Atom 2's compact and lightweight design does not need FAA and remote ID registration. You can take it to capture exciting moments anytime, anywhere. The newly upgraded remote control features a directional antenna 4. With built-in PixSync 4.0 technology, the Atom 2 offers excellent anti-interference with a control range of up to 10 kilometers and Atom 2 has premium object locking and imagery technology. Frame your target to access tracking modes. In addition, it makes it easy to capture. Atom 2 has various photo modes, like 2.7K, 4x digital zoom, and panoramic, and new video modes and quick shots to create cinematic videos. Smart transfer up to 25 megabytes per second is ready for sharing on social media. Atom 2 offers precise GNSS positioning, cruise control, auto takeoff and landing, and smart return to home, delivering a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. Atom 2 Fly More Combo has a charging hub that supports full quick charge for 3 batteries at once in 1.3 hours. The 3 battery kit provides ample time for exploration. Number 3. Holystone HS360S GPS Drone. HS360S, drone with camera for adults featuring the Holystone latest design, weighs less than 250 g. This GPS drone offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Holystone drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with 1/3-foot CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app. Captures stunning 3840x2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. HS360S, a GPS drone with camera, features Holystone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the Holystone HS360S GPS 4K drone with camera. Thanks to Holy Stone Advanced Intelligent Control System, the control range of HS360S, drones with camera for adults 4K, is up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight. Experience the freedom to explore like never before with Holy Stone Drone for adults. Holy Stone HS360S, drones with camera for adults 4K, features precise GPS positioning, providing not only stable flight but also a safe return home. This GPS drone can perform return home function to find its way back to you when battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Let this 4K drone roam free and bring it back with ease whenever you're ready. Number 4. Hiturbo S20 Drone. A camera mounted on it can be manually adjusted to see what's in front of the drone while it's flying, or it can be aimed down to see what's directly below it. I'm sure you can take some interesting photos and videos, or even use it to inspect the roof of a house or other hard-to-reach areas. Friends can shoot each other skating and capture really cool videos. The FPV drone has 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. 2 batteries can be swapped and charged in rotation, greatly extending the fun time. Note that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. You can fly the mini drone with remote control or a smartphone. But in order to capture video or images, you must be connected to the drone via Wi-Fi and the Hiturbo FPV app. If you need to use the voice control, trajectory flight and other functions which under the control switch button in the app, you need to disconnect the remote control from the drone, connect the drone with the app individually. 2 batteries provide you with up to 24 minutes of flying experience. Features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, speed adjustment and voice control make it easy and fun for beginners or novices. This drone is a little easier to operate than other drones, it has fewer steps to fly, no manual pairing required, so it's suitable for people just starting out. If you're considering learning how to fly a drone, make this drone your first one. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to take your imagination to the next level with this starter drone. Number 5. Loiley X69 Drone. Loiley drone features a high-quality 2K HD camera with a 90 degrees remote adjustable angle, allowing you to capture breathtaking photos and ultra-clear videos from the sky. Whether it's a scenic landscape or a special family moment, this drone helps you preserve every beautiful memory with precision. Simply connect your smartphone to the drone's camera to enjoy a real-time panoramic view, and easily share your adventures directly to social media with just a tap. The Loiley drone operation is magically simple. Press the one-touch start/land button to begin flying. With headless mode and gravity sensing, you only need to tilt the controller up, down, left, or right to make the drone fly forward, backward, or sideways. The upgraded optical flow positioning ensures more stable and controllable flight, allowing you to focus on photography. Altitude hold helps you capture high-quality photos and videos effortlessly. Loiley drone with camera is your ultimate travel partner. It is small and lightweight, and the size is only 5 by 3 by 2 inches when folded, which can be easily put into a pocket or backpack. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration. Whether you're going on an outdoor adventure or exploring new places, you can easily take this mini drone with you and capture amazing aerial shots wherever you go. With 2 rechargeable drone batteries, this drone extends the flight time to approximately 26 minutes, providing a worry-free flying experience. The batteries are easy to charge and replace, with built-in overvoltage protection. The remote controller emits a low battery warning, ensuring beginners never lose their RC drone. Number 6. Velcase S101 Drone. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p HD camera, this drone is capable of capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, recording your life's moments. Use the Velcase VGO app to connect and control the drone, and watch real-time video feed through FPV technology, allowing you to explore distant landscapes or capture unforgettable moments from the sky, then share them with your friends on social media. Photo/video with gestures automatically. Optical flow positioning, barometric altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, 3 speed modes, 1 key takeoff/landing/return/emergency stop, 360 degrees flips, trajectory flight, gesture photo/video, voice control, and low battery warning make it extremely beginner-friendly and suitable for kids. The operation is easy and fun. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, Drone will provide you with a delightful flying adventure experience. The package includes a portable bag for convenient outdoor travel. Equipped with two 1050 mAh batteries, enjoy an extended flight time for up to 26 minutes of fun. It comes with remote control batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades, allowing you to fly right out of the box with safety assurance. The powerful motors ensure safe and reliable operation, with built-in overcurrent protection. Foldable body make the drone small and portable. Number 7. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone. The Bwine drone has completed Remote ID certification and complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance. Get a Bwine drone and fly unhindered. You can find the Remote ID on the drone arm, including the QR code. For any more questions about FAA Remote ID, please get in touch with us via the contact information on the back cover of the manual or the Bwine drone app. A one-click detachable 4K video camera, along with a 120 degrees FOV lens and larger COMS sensor, will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience. Especially to record the unforgettable night scenes you see. Besides, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal plus 5x digital zoom ensures its shooting is more stable and convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. Comes with 3x2600 mAh intelligent batteries, the F7 drone will offer you a total of 75 minutes of flight time per trip. For the best charging performance, you can choose Bwine 65W fast charger and fast charging cable, which can achieve ultra-high efficiency charging and can be fully charged in an average of 1.5 hours. Built-in 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, barometer plus 6-level wind resistance test report, you can even fly on a 2000 m peak and control F7 within a range of 3000 m. Even in thin air or on windy days at high altitudes, you can still feel its calmness and shoot an ultra-clear and unstable video and pictures. It will be easy to look down and record your city, town, or farm from a high-altitude first-person perspective.